हैप्पीनेस डिफर्स फ्रॉम पर्सन टू पर्सन, बट एट द एंड हम सब कुछ लाइफ में क्यों करते हैं? टू बी हैप्पी, राइट? Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Samreen, back with another video. And today in this video, as you can see in the title, आपको समझ में आ गया होगा कि हम किस बारे में बात करने वाले हैं. So today we are going to talk about happiness. Now you all will think कि क्या happiness यार Samreen, happiness तो हमें पता ही है कि क्या होती है. ये सब वीडियो तो कितने कॉमन कैजुअल है, हर कोई बनाता है. बट नो, जो वीडियो मैं बनाने वाली हूँ आज, दिस इज समथिंग जो कोई नहीं बनाता है. आई फील जितना मुझे पता है. So I want to actually talk about those small things that literally makes me so happy from inside, irrespective of how sad or upset or low I am. It does makes me happy, and I actually want to talk about those things because maybe after hearing those things you guys will also feel happy कि हाँ ये चीज़ें हमें भी happy करती हैं. So let's talk about those. And also this video is not something कि कुछ ज्ञान information type. This is a very light-hearted chatty video in which you will feel relaxed after watching it. This is fun, something very cool, casual, and I feel you guys would definitely enjoy watching this one too. So let's just begin with this video. Guys, I've seen so many people, they get so busy with their own life and their schedule, and they stress themselves so much that they don't even realize कि they are happy भी या नहीं. And हम life में कुछ भी क्यों करते हैं? To be happy at the end, right? We want happiness, but what we do is we don't give priority to happiness, and we give priority to our work, to our job and everything. But at the end, कुछ भी हम क्यों करते हैं? To be happy, right? We have something, we eat something which we love to be happy from inside. So before talking about things that can make you happy, let me tell you guys two most important things जो अगर आपने समझ ली फिर आपकी सारी प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व. फर्स्ट इज हेल्थ, सेकेंड इज हैप्पीनेस. अगर आपने ये दो चीज़ों को मैनेज कर लिया ना, आपके पास ये दो चीज़ है, आपको किसी और चीज़ की ज़रूरत नहीं है लाइफ में. इफ़ यू हैव गुड हेल्थ, इफ़ यू आर हैप्पी फ्रॉम इनसाइड, यू कैन डू एनीथिंग एंड एवरीथिंग यू वांट इन लाइफ. You will be focused automatically and आपको रास्ते दिख जाएंगे, and ultimately you will be successful. So always focus on being healthy and being happy from inside. So now let's talk about things that makes me happy. So firstly, let's talk about this cute top and this headband which I'm wearing right now. I was so happy and so excited when I saw these two. They used to look so cute and so pretty, and I personally get very excited when I see these kind of things. And मेरे अंदर का जो kid होता है वो बाहर आ जाता है after looking these kind of things. Let me know if you guys also get excited when you see these kind of cute things like cute hair clips, cute rubber bands, cute tops, and so many things like that. The next thing that makes me so happy is cheese Maggie. I love cheese Maggie so much, and I feel so excited when I have it. I have been having cheese Maggie since so long years. I don't eat it every day. I eat it like twice a month or so, but I just love it so much and I feel so happy from within. Same goes to pastries. I love eating pastries. Chocolate pastry is something which is my favorite, and कोई भी कितना भी खराब मूड हो, मूड ठीक हो जाता है after having it. After a certain point of time, I feel like okay, now I'm feeling okay after eating chocolate pastries. It makes me feel थोड़ा सा happy from inside. And apart from this, when I go for my shoots and I've done it properly and मेरे को जैसा भी चाहिए होता है वो वैसा हो जाता है, तो I feel so content from inside, and that makes me feel overall very happy. वो automatically वो hormones release होते हैं from inside, and it makes me feel so happy about myself कि हाँ मैंने अपना दिन productively spend किया है and जो मुझे चाहिए था वो हो गया है. Even when I shoot YouTube videos, I feel happy because it's like अगर मैंने YouTube videos भी 2 या 3 एक दिन में shoot कर लिया और edit कर लिया है, that makes me happy. It's very difficult to be honest, एक दिन में 2 videos shoot करना and edit करना. Not impossible, but yeah, it takes थोड़ा सा time and struggle, but हो जाता है if you do it from your heart, and you have to do it. अगर आपने अपने मन में बना लिया कि करना ही है तो हो जाता है, but yeah, it's थोड़ा सा struggling, but at the end you feel satisfied and you feel happy about your own self कि हाँ मैंने ये कर लिया है. So that is what makes me happy. Then next thing is when I'm बहुत ही ज़्यादा tired, I have come from out shoot करके, and when I come back home I feel so thirsty, and when I have water that makes me feel so happy. I love drinking gallons of water, बहुत ही ज़्यादा water. Water is something that also makes me feel so clean, so exfoliated and so happy from inside, because it feels like I'm so hydrated, and at the end, if you take care of your whole body and everything, you will automatically feel happy from within. So try doing that if you are not in a good mood. So try doing that. If you're not in a good mood, you can obviously try to have water, take care of yourself, of your body, and you will feel good. So next thing that makes me happy is जब मेरे पास चीज़ें अवेलेबल नहीं होती, जब चीज़ें मेरे अकॉर्डिंग नहीं होती, when I don't have enough resources, when there is too much of noise coming from outside like it's coming right now, but I somehow manage to shoot my videos. I somehow try to think कि नहीं मुझे करना है, because if I don't do it, then how will it happen? I cannot keep waiting ना कि लोग चुप रहे. That is not in my control. What is in my control is I can make my videos. I can try to do whatever I can which is in my control, and that's what I try to give importance to. And that makes me happy when after so many problems I do jugaad and I somehow manage to record my videos. I somehow manage to do my things in my life, and I try to schedule it, try to do it, finish quickly as soon as possible with efficiency and my hard work and smart work as well. That's what makes me feel content and satisfied from inside. And I'm damn sure guys कि अगर आपको भी लाइफ में कुछ करना है और आप करते होंगे, बहुत सारी प्रॉब्लम्स होती होगी, बट when you are actually able to tackle those problems and you're actually able to handle those things and do things in life successfully just the way you want to, you will also feel so happy and so blessed कि हाँ मैंने ये कर दिखाया, irrespective of so many problems you have being able to do it. That will obviously make you feel so happy from inside. That feeling is the best feeling in this whole world, because at the end जब आप सक्सेसफुल होते हो, लोग ये नहीं देखते कि आपने क्या कुछ सहा है, लोग आपकी सक्सेस देखते हैं and then they get inspired by you. People are not interested to know what you are going through, what you have been facing so many times. No, they don't want to know that. They want to know how successful you are, how you have achieved it, and they would love to get inspired by you. So be something, do something ki when you are about to get old, you feel so proud of your own self कि हाँ मैंने ये कर दिखा है, irrespective of any problem जो भी थी मैंने उसे फेस किया, मैंने किया. That is what is important. I'm so sorry if I'm blabbering too much, but I feel I just want to tell these things to you guys, because ये सब चीज़ें ना कोई नहीं बताता आपको आके, and people don't even talk that much on these kind of things, but I feel talking on these things is so important, because when you don't talk to these things, people feel like ये सब चीज़ें सिर्फ हम ही फेस कर रहे हैं. and I feel अगर हम इन चीज़ों के बारे में बात करेंगे तो लोगों को लगेगा तो लोगों को लगेगा एंड समझेगा कि हाँ we are all together and we are fighting this thing together. So let's do it together, and let's have someone who is able to understand us, hear us, and share our problems. And I want to be that person for you guys. So that's the reason why I am making these kind of videos. I know these videos are not in any systematic order, not scripted, not polished. It's just things which are directly coming out from my heart, which I want to talk about with you guys, because कोई ना कोई तो होता ही है यार दुनिया में जो ऐसे अकेला फील करता है, लोनली फील करता है, लेफ्ट आउट फील करता है. एंड व्हेन यू are there with that person, and if that person is feeling even one person happy, that is the best thing that you can do for anyone in this world. अगर आप किसी की प्रॉब्लम्स को थोड़ा भी सॉल्व कर सकते हो तो करो guys. be that person to make others happy. Automatically you will feel happy from inside. You will guys. There's so many things. If I keep on talking, this video will just go on and on. That just makes me happy, and I feel ये बहुत ही छोटी चीज़ है, इसके लिए आपको ज़्यादा स्पेंड करने की भी ज़रूरत नहीं है. Still these things can make you happy. So जब भी next time you're feeling upset, watch this video and understand that there are so many things out there waiting for you that will make you happy. I personally feel so happy even if I get एक कोई भी छोटा सा outfit for myself, even if it's not branded, nothing, but it is something which I love. I feel happy when I see cutesy clips, cute setup bands, and so many cute things. I feel happy when I go out for playing some games or anything. I feel so content and so happy from inside. That child in me comes outside, and nobody can even understand वो feeling क्या होती है, because you are so engrossed in playing games, in playing things, in purchasing stuffs, in purchasing your outfits. When you go out and meet your closed ones, you feel so happy at that moment and you don't just realize कि आपकी life में कोई stress भी था. So stress is something which you can control by overshadowing it with things that makes you happy. So try doing that for yourself. You will automatically be able to solve all your problems. I'm not sure if आपकी happiness भी यही छोटी छोटी चीज़ों में है, but to be honest happiness छोटी चीज़ों में होती है. And you don't need to be बहुत ही ज़्यादा rich to be happy. You can be happy if you search your happiness in small things. Let me know if you found this video useful for you guys. I just thought of making this randomly for you guys because बहुत ही ज़्यादा ऐसे वीडियोस होते हैं जो बहुत ही हेक्टिक से हो जाते हैं जब लोग कहते हैं कि you have to go to this place, you have to go there to be happy and this that. I mean, there's a lot of competition, if you guys know what I mean. There's so many things that you just overstress yourself about and you don't take things lightly. Even I do it, to be honest. It's not like कि सिर्फ आप ही करते हो, मैं भी करती हूँ. मुझे भी बहुत सारी चीज़ों का बहुत ही ज़्यादा एक्स्ट्रा स्ट्रेस होता है and we overthink about those things. But let's try to take things थोड़ा सा lightly and try to take baby steps and achieve our goals together. Why not? We can do it. You also guys, please try doing whatever goals you have. आज से अभी के अभी करो 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 कर दो guys. I am rooting for you guys. Why are you waiting? For what you're waiting? You can do it. You have that potential in you. Just start, do it. People will always keep on saying things behind you. They are behind you, right? You are front. So karo, do it for yourself. And yeah, that's all about this video. I am so happy because I'm wearing this cute outfit. Let me know if you guys like this outfit too. I am, to be honest, कितनी बार टू बी ऑनेस्ट यार, बहुत हो गया. ये वीडियो में मैंने इतने बार टू बी ऑनेस्ट बोला है कि अब नहीं बोलना है. अब नेक्स्ट टाइम से आई ट्राई टू अवॉइड सेइंग टू बी ऑनेस्ट, टू बी ऑनेस्ट, टू बी ऑनेस्ट. नो ऑनेस्ट, आई एम नॉट ऑनेस्ट. Jokes apart, so yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this one, and if you guys liked it, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. And I promise you guys, henceforth I'll try to be regular and create content which you guys would love to watch. So yeah, that's it. See you all in my next video. And if you have any recommendation for me, if you want me to make videos on any specific topic, do let me know in the comments section. And yeah, that's all. Bye bye. Catch you up later. So let's start from what I'm wearing right now. This top I had seen long back एक छोटी सी shop पे, and I want to get this since a very long time. And finally when I क्यों